Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from your TD Bank account to another bank. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. As you can see here, I have the official TD Banking website. You're gonna find the link in the description down below. And you can see that the website offers you a demonstration for the process to how to transfer money to another bank. So I'm just gonna press onto the start button right here. So the first step is to log into online banking by going to tdbank.com and fill in your account's information in the space right here. Once you log into your account, go to transfers section, which you can find on the top of the page. And after that, you click onto the with my account outside TD option, which is the second one in the top of the screen. And here you can see this note that tells you in order to use this service, you must have an online banking profile with a US address, a unique US phone number, and an active unique email address and a social security number. Now, next thing that you want to do is click on to make a transfer and then add a new account written in green down here. Then click right here and select the type of external, not TD account you'd like to add. And then here you can see that your previous selection of external account type will be displayed right here. And down here in this section, you can add an account nickname to help you identify this account in your transaction records. And here you can provide your account routing number and account number, and then you can press onto the green next button down here to proceed to the next step. Now for this step, you're going to need to choose how you want to verify your external bank account. You can either choose to log into your external bank account, or you can verify your account in 1 or 2 business days by making small deposits to your external account. The first method is faster, so try to choose it and press onto the green verify instantly button. And here you're gonna have to enter your external bank account login information, then click onto the verify button in the bottom of the page so you can securely send your information for verification. Once your external account is verified, you will receive this message. You can press on to done to get back into making a transfer. Enter the amount you want to transfer right here and then go down here and select your account, your TD account from which to take the money and your external account to receive the money. Then here you can choose the date for your transfer, and here you can add a note about the transfer. And finally, you can view the funds transfer disclaimer down here and press on to continue in the bottom right of the page, which is gonna take you to this page to review your transfer request. Of course, you can cancel or edit the request, and finally click onto the continue button right here, and that should be it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and see you in the next one.